Looking to use GetResponse for affiliate marketing? If you're wondering how to maximize this tool for your affiliate business, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we'll cover the best practices you can apply with GetResponse to take your affiliate marketing to the next level. Stick around till the end because we've got an exclusive offer and a competitor recommendation you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in. First up, GetResponse is a powerful all-in-one marketing solution that offers a ton of tools for affiliate marketers. It provides everything from email marketing to automation, landing page creation, and webinar hosting, all of which are essential in building a strong affiliate business. But just because it's an all-in-one platform doesn't mean it's perfect for every goal. The second thing you need to know is GetResponse's email marketing features. Email marketing is the bread and butter of affiliate marketing. With GetResponse, you can create responsive email campaigns that are easy to set up with its drag-and-drop builder. It's fast and simple, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't be critical. While the templates are great for beginners, more advanced marketers may feel limited in customization options. Next thing, automation. One of GetResponse's strong suits is automation, which can help you nurture leads while you sleep. You can set up automated email sequences to follow up with leads, send promotions, and even send product recommendations. But here's the catch. While GetResponse offers an easy-to-use automation system, it might not have the depth or flexibility that more advanced tools provide. It's good, but there are better options out there for those who need highly detailed automation flows. Now let's talk about the landing pages. GetResponse makes it easy to build landing pages that convert. You can design them directly within the platform, and they come with built-in templates optimized for conversion. But again, it's worth noting that GetResponse's landing page builder isn't as robust as some of its competitors like Leadpages or ClickFunnels. If you're serious about optimizing your landing pages, you may want to consider other options. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. GetResponse integrates with a variety of tools that make affiliate marketing easier, from CRM systems to e-commerce platforms. But there are some limitations here too. While you can integrate with popular tools, some integrations require higher tier plans, and others might not be as seamless as you'd like. It's something to think about when evaluating GetResponse for affiliate marketing. Now, what's the final piece of advice? While GetResponse is a solid choice for affiliate marketing, if your main focus is affiliate sales and conversions, you may want to consider alternative tools. There are competitors out there that offer more tailored features specifically for affiliate marketers. I'm talking about platforms like ConvertKit and ActiveCampaign, which have better automation, segmentation, and more advanced email marketing features. To wrap it up, GetResponse offers a great free trial to get you started, and we've got an exclusive extended trial link in the description below that gives you extra perks you won't find elsewhere. However, if you're looking to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, we recommend checking out some of these alternatives that are better suited for your goals. They also come with free trials, and we've got the best offers through our link, so don't miss out. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, check out the links below to get your hands on the best free trials available for these tools and start optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts today.